was on my way to Sweden again, where I was born. I hadn't really lived there in the past 10 years, besides from for a couple of months. I was flying through the archipelago and thousands of islands on the east coast of Sweden. Sweden is located in Scandinavia, in the very northern part of Europe.
I'm here, back in Sweden.
I got on a bus to Eskilstuna, where I was born and grew up in a house just out of town. The summer had started in Sweden. It was about 25 degrees outside, and I had come to meet my family.
Hello, welcome to my mother's house. This is where I grew up in Sweden, in a town of 100,000 people. Here is the kitchen, here is the living room.
My brother and sister were also on their way back home.
And I was in the basement. I still have my room here actually, 10 years after I left Sweden. A bit messy. Here we have my diplomas from Texas State University. Cream of the crop. Diplomas. Here's my graduation diploma from Texas State University.
It was my mother's birthday today, and the breakfast was ready. We were going out to the very east part of Sweden.
We are here on the east coast of Sweden, and it's time to have lunch here by the harbor.
It was a great summer day in Sweden, and the temperature about 25 degrees Celsius.
Nu kommer regnet. Nu får vi gå in.
We had a nice lunch by the water and went out for a hike to see the landscape.
Here we are at one of the eastern points in Sweden. There was an ice age here many years ago. That's what created all these rocks.
There was an ice age in Sweden up until about 10,000 years ago. Massive ice sheets covered the land area and pushed down the landscape. That's why the rocks are flat and smooth. There are many nice and small towns in Sweden, with old buildings and landscapes. Sweden only has a population of 10 million people. We went back to the house and I decided to go running in the woods.
I am out running here in Sweden. I used to run here when I was 15 for a couple of years. It's really nice in the woods here actually. You can eat blueberries. It makes your tongue blue. Nom 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 nom. The weather here in Sweden changes really quickly. Only 20 minutes ago we had sunshine, but now You can see the clouds here in the background, and it's starting to rain. And in 20 minutes again, we will have sunshine.
Please subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the icon in the down left corner. Thank you for watching.